Volume of pyramids and cones. Let's take a look at the relationship in the formula for determining the volume of a cone and the volume of a cylinder. If you take the contents of the cone and place these contents into the cylinder, you would need to repeat this process 3 times to completely fill the cylinder. So we can derive this formula. If the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h, which it is, then the volume of the cone would be pr squared h divided by 3. This means it took 3 from the cone to fill the cylinder. Now, let's move on to the pyramid versus rectangular prisms. Note, the base of the pyramid and the rectangular prism have identical dimensions. That means they have the same length and they have the same width. The heights of the pyramid and the rectangular prism in this diagram are also identical to one another. If you take the contents of the pyramid and place it in the rectangular prism, you will need to do this process 3 times to completely fill the rectangular prism. So if we know that the formula for the volume of a prism is area of base times height, then the volume of the pyramid would be the area of the base times height divided by 3. So here are the formulas in summary. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. The volume of a cone is pi r squared h divided by 3. The volume of a prism is the area of the base times height, and the volume of a pyramid is the area of the base times height divided by 3. Now, continue with your lesson.